Hey guys, it's Cameron
and Nettie.
Welcome back to our channel.
Yes, welcome back. I hope you guys liked our previous video. Put a lot of time and effort,
Yes,
9 hours to be exact.
Yeah, let's go. Also, alright guys, so we're going to be doing the Fashion Nova men's haul.
Yeah.
Fashion Nova, if you guys didn't know, it came out with the men's clothing line about what, 4 or 5 days ago?
June 12th.
June 12th, okay, so 3.
I was waiting.
4 days. And we're going to be showing you guys some of the cool items. If you guys haven't already, what are they going to do? Give them a big thumbs up.
Oh yeah, give our video a big thumbs up if you haven't already.
Boom, subscribe, hit that subscribe button and turn on that post noti bell so you guys know
when we upload. Yes.
Alright guys.
I don't know what we're doing here.
Woo! Hey, let's go. Alright.
So we're gonna get started. Hopefully Cameron likes the items. Well, he picked them out because his birthday's around the corner. So anyway, yeah, so how many items do you have this?
We have 6 items, 2 jeans, sweatpants like these, and 3 tops.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see guys. Alright, for the first outfit, stay tuned.
So this is the bag here. Cameron went over there. We're gonna hang these up on the a little rack so you guys can see a little display of it.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty.
Watch it fall in the pool. You look good. Jeans fit good.
Oh.
Cup it.
Cup it. Cough. We're good. Alright.
So this is the first one.
First tee, Vibe 8 ball. We're gonna do a
shit.
quick 360, you know what I'm saying? These are the jeans.
I can't go live, but
These are the jeans, this is the shirt. The jeans are, if you guys don't know, these are a 32 jeans and this is a medium t-shirt.
where's the price tag on these?
These are,
Okay, so the jeans are a size 32.
32 and they're 35.
$34.99.
34.99. The shirt is a size medium, $19.99. And so,
$19.99?
Yeah.
Oh, the price.
yeah. And so this is it. We're gonna give you guys a close-up on the first outfit of what the tee will look like and stuff like that, and the jeans and stuff like that, so you guys know as well. So
I like Nettie approves.
all right, here's the close-up. Yeah, guys, this is outfit number 2. And so if you guys don't know me, I mean, we got like kind of this Gucci Fashion Nova type of style going on over here, as well as the, no, we're gonna take that out.
No, we're putting that in.
What is that?
Sweats?
Yeah, and the sweats on the side has one white stripe going down, you know what I mean? The string's a little wild. I don't know what this is. Honestly, it's pretty long, and I bow tied it. So I mean, all in all, I mean, it's a cool little fit. I don't know so much for summer, but if you're like kicking back, Netflix and chilling and stuff, all that good stuff, you know, it's cool. I'm wearing the Jordan 11 Breads, and it has a pocket. So yeah, this shirt is a medium as well, and this shirt goes for $19.99 on Fashion Nova Men's, and this goes for how much?
$29.99.
$29.99, and this is also a size medium. And so if you guys, yeah, white stripe, white tee.
What shoes are those?
The Jordan 11s, the Breads. So those are dope, and it goes really good with the red, and yeah, the black and black. So yeah, I give this outfit a big thumbs up, as I like it. It fits good. The material is really good, really soft, and yeah, it's not too like tight on you like an Under Armour shirt.
So the only thing you didn't like about was the string?
Yeah, the strings are like, guys, if look at, this is tied, this is untied. Look at this, what is this? Like honestly, like if you look at it, like, I'm gonna step on my own like pant strings. Literally, I can probably tie my shoe with my pant strings.
Babe.
So yeah, that's the only thing. I don't know what the style is like. I don't know if you like wrap it around or something. But yeah, all in all, it's pretty good. if you don't like the strings, you can obviously take them out or tuck them in. Either one works, honestly. So
you can cut them.
You can cut them, do whatever you want. I'm gonna keep them like this. I mean, this is the style, but yeah, this is outfit number 2. This is outfit number 3, and this is what we have, guys. We have the cream rose, tan rose, beige rose, whatever you want to call it, cream rose.
Thanks for nothing, internet.
Thanks for nothing, internet tee.
These jeans are actually really popular. Like, I don't know what's up with this style here,
The biker style.
But it's been in lately, like crazy. I see it everywhere.
Yeah, it's really popular, and yeah, I mean, this is the size 32. Skinny jeans. This is size medium again, and the prices are $17.99 for this shirt and $32.99 for these jeans.
Yeah.
So, and this is the look. I mean, you can either wear them with some white pants, white shoes, black shoes. Honestly, you can wear them with anything. Got the Yeezys on, so that's what it is. And we'll give you guys, what I like about it. This material is a little bit more rough than the other two that I was wearing previously, but other than that, it feels good, it fits good, not too loose, not too tight. The pants, they feel very comfortable, not too tight, not too tight on the ankles either, really comfortable.
Nice little rips right here.
Yeah, it's very flexible, so it's not like super skinny, so yeah, and ball it up, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're gonna give you guys a really close-up look on everything like that. And yeah, guys.
With the video, I hope you guys enjoyed, and to be honest, I don't even know I was in it, but whatever.
Yes, guys, this is Fashion Nova Men's Haul 2018, guys. If you guys like the video, like I said in the beginning, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And what are they gonna do?
Subscribe
and turn on post notice so you guys know when we go or when we upload again. So
sorry for sweaty, it's really hot.
Really hot.
Yeah.
Really hot. Like really type of weather you shouldn't be wearing jeans.
We should dump Cameron in the pool.
Ready? Here you guys go. Give it a big thumbs up.
Shut up, don't do that.
Alright guys, we'll catch you guys on
our next video.
Yeah, what she said. Peace.